Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to add channels to favorites on IPTV Smarters Pro. So we have in your IPTV Smarters Pro website, you can head over and click onto this download in order to download the actual app. Now, if you already downloaded it and you want to actually add some favorites on to your actual Smarters Pro, what we can do is we can just head over and then open the app itself. Launch the IVTV Smarters Pro app on your device. It can be your smartphone, tablet, or TV, and as well as your PC. Now navigate to the channels list. Once you're on home screen, go to the live TV section right here where you can see all your channels. So if you're using a remote control or a touchscreen, scroll to the list of available channels. Now from in there, just find a channel that you want to add to your favorites. So for example, you can choose this one, and then you can just use your navigation button to select the channel you want to save. Now, in order to add it to your favorite, if you're on your mobile or touchscreen, hold down the channel name or press the channel for a few seconds until this menu pops up and click onto this add to favorite. If you're on your TV or using a remote control, press the OK or enter button to bring up the options menu and you should be able to see this add to favorite option as well. Once you have selected add to favorites, the channel will be saved to your favorites list and you may get a confirmation message. Now, in order to access your favorites, you can return to the main screen, then look for a section labeled favorites or favorite channels. And then from in there, you should be able to find the channel that you have added earlier. So here's some additional tips. You can organize your favorites depending on the IPTV Smartest Pro version. You'll be able to recognize or organize your favorite channels into categories or reorder them for quicker access. You can also remove those channels from favorites just by clicking the remove from favorites option. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you.